Okay, so Asman, do you see my screen?
Yes,
Okay. So in the previous class, we were doing exponents and powers, right?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think we completed the chapter.
Okay, did we complete the chapter? Let me just check.
Ma'am,
Give me
we
one
have
minute.
the last question to do. That stack of books. But that you
Okay.
gave us one book, ma'am. So I did.
Have you done that question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me a minute. Do you have any doubts in the chapter exponents and powers?
No, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just discuss the question that I gave for assignment. We
Okay.
have question 4, which is, in a stack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeter and 5 paper sheets. So how many books are there?
5 books.
Number of books is
5
5. Thickness
of
of
book
one book.
25 millimeter.
Thickness of one book is 20 millimeters. Okay. So what is the
Millimeter.
total thickness of all books?
Ma'am, thickness of sheet is
Am I talking about sheet here as well?
okay, ma'am. Thickness of all
5 into 20 millimeters is equals to 100 millimeters. Then
yes,
it
ma'am.
is 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016. So number of paper sheets 5, thickness of one sheet 0.016 millimeter, total 5 into 0.016 millimeters, right? Which is equal to 0.080.
0.08.
Fine, what is the total thickness of the stack? So what is the total thickness?
100 into 0.080, right? And total thickness is 100 into 0.080, right?
No, that's wrong. Why are you multiplying?
We have to add.
Obviously, we have to add the thickness of the total thickness of the, yeah, you have papers and you have books and you have sheets. So they are stacked upon each other. So you will add, why will you multiply?
Sorry, ma'am.
100 millimeter plus 0.080 millimeters. Okay. So what you can do over here is you can convert these into meters. So how do you convert millimeters into meters? How do you convert? Tell me.
Uh,
1
1
meter?
meter equals to 10 millimeter.
No. 100 millimeter.
100 millimeter. So 100 millimeters equals to 1 meter.
Or you can do one thing, you can just leave it here also. Let's
Okay.
just calculate just as millimeters only. So 100 plus 0.080 is 100.080 millimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to you? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
now I don't think we have any other question left in the chapter. Okay, so we'll just have a quick revision of the laws of exponents. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
So laws of exponents, what is the first law?
Ma'am, a to the power m plus a to the power n. Sorry, into a to the power n. Ma'am, into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n.
Okay. Next.
A to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n.
Okay, so when you add and the base is same, the power is, just give me 1 minute as to. Okay. So next is a to the power m divided with a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Okay, what's the third law?
A to the power 0 equals 1.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Next.
then a to the power negative 1 equals to 1 by a to the power positive 1.
Okay.
Then we have, yes ma'am, a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m equals to ab whole power m.
Okay.
And we have a to the power m divided by b to the power m equals to a by b to the power m.
Whole power m. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are all the laws of experiment. Fine. I hope that the chapter is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let's discuss the syllabus. So in our syllabus, we have rational numbers we have done, linear equations also we have done, understanding quadrilaterals we have done, data handling we have done, square and square roots is done, cube and cube roots is done, comparing quantities is done, algebraic expression and identities is left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, that's the
mensuration
chapter
is left,
taking in my school.
with exponents and powers is done. So we have factorization, introduction to graphs, direct and inverse proportions, algebraic expression and identities, and mensuration. So we have in total of 5 chapters that are left with us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with the chapter algebraic expressions.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, they are teaching the chapter in my school.
Okay, wait. I will. So
Ma'am,
algebraic
actually,
expression.
expression and identities, right?
Yeah, algebraic expressions and identities.
Ma'am, but in my textbook, I don't have identities, ma'am.
So when you don't have identities, why are you saying it's identity?
No, ma'am, because in our syllabus, we have identities also.
No problem. Please look here. Let's first complete the chapter. If you have anything that's doubtful, we will cover that as well. Okay.
Ma'am.
So in the chapter algebraic expressions and identities, we have first of all, you need to understand the addition, and the first topic itself is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay, so what is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions? What we do, first of all, you need to understand the like and the unlike terms. Okay, and you need to remember that you can only add and subtract like terms. Okay, you cannot add and subtract the unlike terms. For example, I'll give you, like you have the first one is x plus 3 2y minus 5 3x square 4xy plus 7. Okay, you have to, what are these? These are algebraic expressions, like x plus 3 is one expression, 2y minus 5 is one expression, 3x square is another expression, and 4xy is another expression. Now you see that when you have certain expressions which are like similar in nature, so you can add or subtract them as well. For
They
example,
are
you
called
have,
like terms.
okay, like you have the question, add 7x square minus 4x plus 5 and 9x minus 10. Okay, so how will you add these? So to add, first of all, you will write 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Now 9x. Where will you write 9x?
Plus 9x.
Yeah, where will you write plus 9x?
After 5.
No, not after 5. We'll write like plus, we'll write plus 9x. Below 4x you'll write. Then where you'll write minus 10, you'll write over here.
Below 5.
Yes, minus 10. Then you
Because
just
they are
have
like
to add
terms,
them. What are you saying?
because they are like terms you are adding under the same value, same number.
Yeah, exactly. They're like terms, so you're adding them under the same value. So plus 5
Ma'am,
minus 10 is basically minus 5. Yeah, what are you
minus
saying?
5 equals to 7x square. Uh, 5 minus 5. Plus 5x minus 5.
Yeah, that's how you'll do it. Now, like you have a question and write on the board. Solve this.
Ma'am, 9 is at n or x?
This one,
Yes, ma'am.
it's 9zx.
Okay. Ma'am,
Okay. So you have first is 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Then you have 4yz. Where will you write 4yz?
under 5y
Plus 4yz. Where will you write 9zx?
under minus 3zx.
Plus 9zx. Where will you write minus 4y?
Ma'am, after 9zx.
Very good. Minus 4y here. Okay, then you have minus 3xz. Xz you can write here only.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 3xz. Then you have plus 5x. 5x you don't have anything similar. Then minus 2xy. Okay. Now wherever you do not have anything, just put a 0.
Okay.
Okay. Now you just have to add. So 0 plus 5x is 5x only. Okay. Then here minus 4y only. See, minus 3zx plus 9zx is 6zx. 6zx
Plus,
minus
plus
3zx is 3
3zx. Yes. Plus 3z.
plus. Here you have plus 9yz and here you have 5xy.
Yes, ma'am. Correct answer.
Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next you have is now you have to subtract. Okay, subtraction one question I will first teach you and then you'll do. You have
Yes.
subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x
Ma'am,
square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Fine. Now
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Amar is also there in the class. Amar, do you hear me? Do you hear me, Amar? Amar, am I audible to you?
Ma'am,
Yes, Hassan.
ma'am, in subtraction, we have to add the number. We have to put the number that is after from, right?
Yeah. The number which is after from is written first. First you have 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now you'll write like 5x square, you'll write over here. Minus 4y square, you'll write over here.
Good
Then
afternoon.
plus 6y. Yes, Amar, do you hear me? Please put on your camera if you hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Amar, so today we have started with a new chapter which is algebraic expressions and identities. So first we have learned how to add the algebraic expressions. Now we are learning how to subtract them. Okay, please listen very carefully. In addition, what we do is, like you have this question over here. So in this question, what you will do, you will first, I have just arranged these in columns and then I have added them. Okay, I'll give you some questions to practice. You can practice them. You don't have to do anything. Just arrange the given question in columns and then add them. Next, you have is subtraction. So in subtraction, what difference we have is first we arrange them in column. Like terms are written together. And after writing the like terms, what do we have to do is, like if you have whatever sign is there in the next line, what is the second line? This one. So just reverse the sign. Like if it is plus, write minus. If it is minus, write plus. If it is plus, write minus. If it is minus, write plus. Just reverse the sign in the second line. Okay, now solve the question. Put 0, 0 where there is nothing. Now, 0 plus 3 is plus 3. Minus 3y minus 6y is minus 9y. Plus 5x plus 0 is 5x only. Okay, plus 8y square plus 4y square is 12y square. Okay, then minus 4x as it is. 4xy. 7x square minus 5x square is 2x square.
Yes, ma'am.
Amar, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'll give you a question.
Ma'am, add or subtract?
Add.
Okay.
Please do these questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Please do this question. I'll just be right back. Okay, you both have 5 minutes for these questions.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I finished the first one. The second one I can't understand.
Yeah, okay. So let's shift up the answers. Give me 1 second. The first one is AB minus BC. Okay, let's discuss the answers. The first one you have AB minus BC. Then you have BC minus CA. So plus BC you will write here. Minus CA you will write here because there is no like term with minus CA. Then you have plus CA. So you can write plus CA and minus AB. So minus AB will be over here. Okay, put to 0 where there is nothing. Now what do you get? Minus CA plus ZA is 0. Minus BC plus BC is 0. AB minus AB is also 0. So your net answer is 0. Are you getting 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what
Ma'am,
about the
the
second
second
one?
one I can't
Second one I did.
understand.
I did.
Okay, wait. I'll tell you how to do the second one. You have A minus B plus AB. Okay. Then you have B minus C plus BC. So B minus C plus BC. Okay. Then you have C minus A plus AC. C minus A plus AC. Okay. Like this you will do. Just write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Now 0 plus AC is AC only. Okay. Then you have plus BC only. Then minus C plus C is 0. AB you have. Okay, minus B plus B is 0. And A minus A is again 0. So the answer is AB plus BC plus AC. Understood?
Correct answer.
Amar,
Okay.
do you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have the next question. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4
Ma'am, add or subtract?
5 plus, no, you have to add
Okay.
q minus 3p square q square. Okay, this is the question. Second question also you can note down. First note down the questions, okay? L square plus m square plus n square plus L square 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Okay, do these.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Yes, ma'am.
I am muted.
Yeah, please copy the question first. Copy it and tell me.
I can't see the question.
I can't see the questions.
Wait. Do you see the questions now?
Ma'am,
See the questions
Okay.
now?
Yes. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Please solve it now.
Now I solved it.
You solve the questions as well? What about Amar?
no, ma'am, I did not solve them yet.
Let's wait for Amar. We'll discuss later. That's when you can revise your answers by the time.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Uh, yeah. Do you see the question?
No, ma'am. Something is in the middle.
You don't see the question.
Yes, ma'am. Now I can see.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss. So for the first question we have 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Okay. We have 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Okay. So this plus 5. Okay. So 4 plus 5 gives you 9. Minus 3pq plus 7pq gives you plus 4pq. Okay, 2p square q square minus 3p square q square gives you minus p square q square. Understood?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Jasola.
Then you have the next one, L square plus m square, then m square plus n square plus n square plus L square. We have 2ln plus 2mn plus 2nn. So you have 2l square plus 2m square plus 2n square plus 2mn plus 2ml plus 2nl. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we have is now you have to subtract 4a minus 7ab. Please copy the question first, okay, as I write on the board. Then because then I'll remove the board. Plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Please copy this question. What about Ammar?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ammar, you also
Done, ma'am.
okay. So let's discuss. First, you have 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay, then from. So this you'll write afterwards. 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Then it is subtract. So what you'll do is you will change the signs. Okay, so this will become plus, this becomes plus, I'm sorry, this becomes minus. Fine. This becomes minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus, this becomes minus. Okay. Now you solve. So minus 3 plus minus 12 is minus 15. Plus 5b minus 3b is plus 2b. Minus 9ab plus 7ab is minus 2ab. 12a minus 4a is 8a plus 8. So this is your answer. Are you getting this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll do the next question. 3xy plus 5yz minus 7 zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay?
Ma'am, 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx or 7 to x.
It's 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Okay?
Okay.
What about Amar?
No, ma'am.
What about Amar?
No, ma'am. Not done.
Okay. Amar, are you saying you've done or have you not done?
I have not done.
Okay, okay. Please do it quickly, then we'll discuss. Aswan, you can revise your answer.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss. We have, please look here, Aswan. We have 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay, from all this. So 3xy minus 5yz plus 7zx plus, okay, you don't have anything then. Now you have to change the signs. So you have 2xy plus 3yz minus 9zx plus 10xyz. Okay. Are you getting this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now we have the last question. 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q.
Ma'am, what is after minus 8p?
It's 7q.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, what about Ammar?
No, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss. So firstly we have 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Okay, then we have this thing 4p square q. So you'll write 4p square q over here. Then minus 3pq. So write minus 3pq over here. Then 5pq square plus 5pq square. Then minus 8p. So minus 8p you can write here. Then plus 7q. Write plus 7q over here. Minus 10 you'll write over here. Okay, you have to rearrange them. Then just change the signs. Here you'll write minus, here also minus, then plus, then minus, plus, and then plus. Okay. Till here, have you all done this way only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 18 plus 10 is 28. Minus 3p plus 8p is plus 5p. Minus 11q minus 7q is minus 18q. Plus 5pq plus 7 3pq is plus 8pq. Then you have minus 7pq square. And then you have plus 1p square q. This is the answer. Okay,
I
clear?
got this. Yes, ma'am.
You both got,
Yes,
you both got the same thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's just quickly have a revision of whatever we studied in today's class. So we have started with a new chapter, which is algebraic expressions and identities. Right. So what are algebraic expressions? Basically, algebraic expressions are like we studied linear equations. Okay. So they are similar to linear equations only. They are just like a combination of variables and constants mixed together. So now we studied about addition and subtraction. What do we do in addition? We have to assemble all the like terms together and we have to add them. Okay. And similarly, we do in subtraction also, we assemble all the like terms. But one major difference between subtraction is that when we subtract the numbers, what we have to do is we have to like change the signs of the below, the numbers that lie below the above numbers. Okay. Like you have 5x square and all, you change the signs. Then we practice some questions. I hope that everything is clear to you. This is a very simple chapter. Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No doubts, okay. So now we'll continue in the next class. I hope that
Ma'am,
everything is yes.
you told the management told that they will change the time of the class to 4:15 from KSA.
Okay, so Amar, I'll ask the management team once. Okay, you can also talk to them regarding this thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.